All right, this is the Haas model TM1 tool room mill, serial number 28495.
And right, 3-axis mill, spindle, got a tool in there, there's nothing in there, but it's all in nice shape. I think we're in hand mode now with the servo. Well, we're servoing already. I've already got the control up, so otherwise we could turn the hand wheels if I was to E-stop it, but then we'd have to rehome it. Spindle's down about halfway, or Z-axis I should say. Coming around the side, we got air and our temporary line coming in. Currently 208 volts to the control. Spindle drive right here. The axis drives over on the left here. Main card. And phase detection is good. Got the green light for that. Next to you here, we have a vise off to the side. We got to throw back on there later. That belongs with the machine. And I'll forget what's in here. A little high-speed drill attachment, the air fixturing for it, of course some a clamping set, and some other tool holders down there. Yeah, so there's some tools down in there. There you go. I forgot we had these. There we go. Those all go with it. And yeah, off to the side, your standard plugins for the servos. Just the 3 mainly, and that's it. And coming around on the control, documentation down low, we do have a book on this one, so.
Right.
And just a couple of screens here. All we've like, again, we can only just jog the 3 axes. I don't have a job really set up on it, but we'll jog the 3 axes. And after that, we'll bring the spindle up. We got the main page here, position page, command page. We're going to MDI and just run the MO3. I've got it at 4,000. We'll start off on the override down low at 50%. Just work our way up. It's still a little bit cold, but we'll get up to at least 3,000. Maybe we'll push it to 4 for a little bit too. So let's go back to position. We should be in jog right now. There's X right here at full at 0.100, or 100 I should say. And I think, yeah, we got the pulse generator. Either way, off the buttons here or the generator. Let's do Z down. I said X again. I don't think you can do 2 at a time on this one. No, it cancels it, so I wasn't sure. Auto program will, but not this. Y is nice. And like I said, if I go to the generator, this is off the hand wheel here. You can kind of see what goes a little bit quicker, right? And same thing with X. X, I should hit it, and that would help. That would help. And Z, last one. Oh, see the screw, there we go. So, looks like we're greasing that all up pretty good. And that's it, we'll leave it right there and I guess power it up and see what we've got in terms of spindle speed. I can slow that down maybe, I think it's kind of slow.
That's right.
Yeah, get it? Yeah. Yep. And then over it on MDI, I just got a 4,000 plugged in there. I'll just hit cycle start. These 2 guys will home themselves. Spindle will turn on. Yeah, what am I at? 50%? 40%? Yeah, that'll work. That works for me. There we go. Position. I'll just go to commands, cycle start. That'll go first, and then the spindle. That's at 15, you can see up here now. It's about right. I got 50%, about 40%. I'm at 40. There's spindle percentage. Here's the actual RPMs. I ran it for a few minutes, so it should be getting warmed up by now. Here's all I do is hit spindle plus 10%. There's 50, 2,000. 23. I should be able to stop and go even from this position. Let's see. Clockwise? Yeah, same thing. And spindle 10. That's 70%, 2,800 almost. I don't know if you can see both, are you? Yeah. You can bring that in a little bit if you want. Sounds good, almost there. So it goes to 4, I guess. 32. There's 90. There's full out. 4,000. 100. Oh, I'm at 110%. I'm overclocking it. 90. It's 100%. There we go. Right on the button. 39. And then stop. It's not bad. I'll go counterclockwise maybe. Let's see how that goes. Still at 4,000. And one more time clockwise. I didn't play with the jog, but I guess if we go into Z and if I overclock that's on 100%. We go to 110, 130, 140, 150. That's a little bit faster. Yeah, I forgot we could overclock this a little bit too, so that's at 150. And bring X back on center here. Take Y in a little bit. Z down a little bit, and we'll leave it right there. There we go.